segment is first, short shelf life without the usage of refrigerator. 2. High usage of synthetic preservatives such as benzoates or sorbates to extend the shelf life. 3. The texture degradation due to ingredient instability and phase separation between oil and water. 4. Degradation of nutrients such as vitamin, antioxidant and phytochemicals due to exposure to heat, oxygen and light.
Plant-based food are becoming more popular as consumers are more aware about health and sustainability. One good plant protein source is chickpeas, which are commonly used in nutritional meals and vegetarian diet. However, when ready to eat plant-based food undergoes sterilization using retort technology, some quality issues may occur. High thermal treatment can damage plant cell structures, causing the product to become softer and release more water. Therefore, this project focuses on developing a shelf-stable plant-based chickpea and vegetable product while maintaining better texture and product stability.
Let's go through all the analysis we have. The first analysis is pH analysis. This pH analysis is been done for 3 days to all the formulations we have. The first formulations is control or original sample without any additional of hurdle technique. The pH value of this sample shows slightly more to neutral pH value, which is 6.55. Meanwhile, sample 2 with the additions of citric acid from the lemon shows slightly acidic value, and sample 3 with additions of citric acid and dried rosemary shows slightly higher value compared to sample 2. Lastly, sample 4 shows a higher value compared to sample 2 and sample 3 value. The second analysis being done is water activity analysis, where the 4 formulations we have here shows water activity value ranging from 0.93 to 0.99. A high moisture food that has water activity ranging between 0.90 to 1.00 are highly perishables, where it can lead to microbial growth. However, we can avoid this from happen by altering the pH value into slightly acidic by the additions of citric acid, or adding antimicrobial components or ingredients such as dry rosemary. Next, texture profile analysis or TPA, which is an analysis being done for us to know the hardness, the cohesiveness, or the chewiness of the food substance. From the result obtained here, from the experiment, from the analysis being done, we can differentiate the value of hardness between the raw carrots, the mild heating carrot, and the retort carrot. The changes of hardness in retort process are happen due to high temperatures used for this method. However, we can conclude that mild heating process is a better option rather than using a retort process in reducing the hardness of carrot, as a high temperature used in retort process can lead to degradations of nutritional content or texture and color degradations. Another analysis being done is viscosity analysis using viscous method. The sample 1 record a viscosity value 0.00, which indicates a very thin consistency. However, sample 2 does not have any viscosity value appeared from the apparatus used because the curry was too thin or unstable to measure accurately. Meanwhile, sample 4 shows a value of 147.2 due to additions of cornstarch, which act as thickening agent. Lastly, sensory evaluation analysis, where this analysis been done for 5 attributes, namely appearance, aroma, taste, texture, and overall perceptions. In short, sample 4 achieved the highest acceptability compared to sample 2 and sample 3. This demonstrates that hurdle technology has effectively preserved the product while maintaining the desirable sensory qualities when being consumed by our panelists.
First is a natural preservation replacement technology. Our product use natural compounds such as dried rosemary and citric acid to help control microbial growth. This ingredient act as natural preservative that can slow down microbial activity and improve product stability. 2 is a smart functional food innovation. For the smart functional food innovation, our product focused on producing a health-oriented ready meal that support consumer metabolic health. We use chickpea as the main ingredient because it is high in protein and provide good nutritional value. Lastly is a smart formulation design innovation. In our product formulation, each ingredient is selected because it provides dual function to the product and the consumer. For example, chickpea not only serve as a high protein ingredient but also help improve the texture and structure of the product.
So, the unique of this project is integration of plant-based nutrition and food preservation technology. Most plant-based ready meal require refrigeration or preservation to extend their shelf life. So, for this project, it's combined nutrition ingredient such as chickpea and vegetables with preservation technology, which is we use harder technology, synergetic preservation approach. So, several meal preservation method apply together to improve product stability. Methods used include pH control, natural antimicrobial agent, water activity control, and heat treatment. For the last one, commercial potential as ready-to-eat meal. Many commercial ready-to-eat curry require refrigeration because they spoil easily. For this product, it's designed for room temperature storage, making it suitable for travel and emergency food supply. So for this part is benefit and impact of this product. The first one is convenient and ready to eat. So it provides a quick and nutritious meal for consumer with busy life. The second one is improve food safety. So multiple preservation barrier help inhibit microbial growth and maintain product quality through harder technology. And then this product support a healthy plant-based diet. So the product is rich in plant protein, fiber, and essential nutrients from chickpea and vegetable. The last one is this product is sustainable food innovation. So plant-based formulation and longer shelf life help to reduce food waste and support a more environmentally friendly food system.
In conclusion, this project successfully developed a shelf-stable plant-based chickpea and vegetable product using novel huddle technology. The combination of several preservation factors, including pH control, natural antimicrobial agents, and formulation stabilization, have improved product stability and safety. Based on the sensory evaluation result, Cyber 4 was the most preferred by the panelists because it has better taste, texture, aroma, and overall acceptability. Overall, the results show that huddle technology has strong potential in developing safe, nutritious, and shelf-stable plant-based ready-to-eat meals.